guys, I am Michelle,
Fifi,
Natasha.
Hi, and my name is Patrick.
and welcome to
Game
Session.
do you spend your time playing games?
Yes!
Are you curious how games work?
Yes.
Do you want to make your own games?
Yes.
Today, we'll be giving you steps on how to create your own game by using Scratch. We'll be learning basic codings.
So, without further ado, let's jump into it.
First, open scratch.meet.edu. Desktop website is highly recommended for better experience. Create a new project by clicking Create on the top left of the desktop. It is your preference to keep the original sprite or to remove and choose a new one. You can also create a custom sprite and import it to Scratch. To choose a new sprite, drag your mouse to a bear icon beside the background icon on the bottom right. To upload your customized sprite, click the first option. To choose another sprite provided by Scratch, click the bear icon itself and pick one sprite of your own preference. In this case, we will be using the monkey sprite. Next, resize the monkey sprite to 50, or you are free to determine the size by yourself. If we see through the top left, there is a bar named Customs, and if we click that bar, we can see several customs of the monkey. To make the monkey seem moving throughout the game, start to code. Drag the when blank key press block from Events to the code screen, then click the customizable variable and pick any. From the control section, drag the forever block and place it below the when any key pressed block. Next, click the look section, drag switch custom to blank block and place it inside the forever block. Customize the variable to monkey A. Give it a time gap before changing to another costume by adding the wait blank second block from the control section. And customize the time variable. Then duplicate the two blocks below the forever block and place it below those original two, still inside the forever block. And then change the variable to monkey B. Repeat the 12th step for the monkey C. These blocks will make it automatically looping every time we press any key on the keyboard. To make the monkey move by clicking the arrow key on keyboard, drag when blank key pressed block from the event section, change the variable to up arrow, drag change Y by 10 block from motion section and place it below the previous block. Repeat step 14 for left arrow and right arrow. Drag the same block but with X instead of Y. For down arrow and left arrow, change the variable into -10.
Change the backdrop by choosing referring to your preference. You can choose a background that has already been provided by Scratch, or you can upload your own backdrop. Now, pick another sprite. We will be using a balloon sprite this time. Adjust the size to 50. For the next step, we have to code inside the balloon sprite. Drag when ... key press block from events, change the variable to any, place a forever block from control, and place glide ... sex to ... from motion inside it. Customize the variable to 1 and random position. Back to the monkey sprite. Create a new variable which is score and latest score by clicking Make a variable from the variables section. Name the variable, set it to for all sprites, then click OK. Repeat the creating the latest score variable. To set a timer, create another variable with the same setting, but name it time remaining. From the preview screen, move the time variable to the top right. To make all of these variables work, choose a when flag symbol clicked. Block from events, go back to variables, drag one block, offset ... to ... beneath the previous block. Change it to latest score. Add another block from events, which is broadcast ... change the message to start. For score and latest score, set it to 0. For time remaining, set it to 60, as it will make the time to 1 minute every session. Still under the when I receive start, drag a forever block from control, drag a wait 1 second block from the same section, and add time remaining by -1 from variables inside the forever block. Add another events block, this time the when I receive start 1. Add two if ... blocks from control. For the first if, put the touching balloon 1 block from sensing as the variable. Add another forever block as the outer layer from these two if blocks. For the variable of the second if, place a ... equal ... block from operators. Change it to time remaining equal 0. The score variable can be dragged from the variable section. Add change score by 1 from variables inside the first if block, followed by a play sound ... until done. From sound, customize the sound on your own. For the second if block, add set latest score to score from variables and stop all from control. Add another events block, which is when space key pressed. Add broadcast start under it. Now you can restart the game anytime by pressing the space key, no matter in the middle of the game or if the time already hit 0. To make it more attractive, duplicate our previous block set, which contained 2 if blocks. Then remove the first if block and remove all blocks inside the second if. Fill it with play sound ... until done. Customize the sound as a sign if the time runs out.